I'm Don Adams with Midsouth Casters and Equipment. Besides hand trucks and other material handling equipment, we sell thousands and thousands of casters every year. Today I'd just like to take a moment and talk about how to select a caster and how to pick the appropriate wheel for your application. One of the most important things you want to consider when selecting a caster is how big is the load that it's going to carry. It's not down to the exact weight, but it's into the weight category of each caster. Some casters will carry up to 250 pounds, some will carry up to 400 pounds, some will carry up to 800 pounds or 1,200 pounds, or 2,000 pounds or 10,000 pounds. It's important to understand what the overall weight load is on each caster. And so if you have a normal cart, what you're going to have is you're going to have 4 casters on a cart. So there's 2 methods basically how you can figure that is. You can take the total weight of your cart, divided by 4, and then that's the weight of each caster that needs to carry. So you select the caster that'll be able to handle that much weight. You can also, as a safety measure, divide that total load by 3 and have a factor of safety built into it and use that as your guideline when selecting a caster. Another thing we want to consider when selecting a caster is what is the caster going to be rolling on? What type of floor will it be rolling on? It makes a difference if it's a wooden floor, if the floor is ceramic tile, if the floor is carpeted, if the floor is rough concrete, smooth concrete, a dirty floor with you might have debris on it. It all matters when you select the caster. So you want to be sure and select the right wheel that'll work with the right floor application. For instance, if you choose a phenolic wheel, which is a really good wheel, it's a workhorse of the industry, it's a good general purpose wheel, it's very hard and very durable and rolls very easily. However, if it rolls on a smooth concrete floor and that floor is dirty and has debris on it, that debris will wedge under the wheel and cause the wheel to stop, as opposed to ordering a performance type of wheel, which is a little bit softer and rolls over the debris and doesn't impede your progress with the cart. Basically, there's 2 configurations when you want to attach the caster to your equipment. One is the stem configuration, which can be threaded or can be smooth with a clip on top that goes up into the bottom of the cart itself. Or you have a plate configuration that may have 2 to 4 mounting holes on it that you put a bolt into. And also, when considering a caster, you want to think about, do I want this caster to swivel? And do you want your cart to turn? Or will the cart be traveling in a straight line? Typically what you'll find on a cart is that a cart will have 2 swivels and 2 rigid casters, so that you have the maneuverability to turn the cart, but you also can go in a straight line when you need to as well. And the cart won't, with 4 swivel casters, the cart will tend to drift, and you can have more and better control over the cart itself.